What's up, guys? We're here at Sticknwrap, and I'm just trying to talk to Andrew about what we're going to do with this car. So, what are we doing with your car right now?
Well, over the past few weeks, I've designed a Natasha car based in Japan style with anime.
Cool.
And I've been working on it here with Jay.
Mm-hmm.
He's been helping me out, making sure everything looks right and goes right.
Okay.
And I think we're done.
All right. So, are you trying to show this car off to anywhere or any place?
Yeah, I've been rushing to get it ready for Anime Week in Atlanta this weekend, September 21st. If you guys want to come check it out, we'll be in the dealer's room with a bunch of other guys.
Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and check out the room.